Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some new colors from Secret Sister Dips. Now these three colors here are part of a new collection that is releasing today called Spring Fling. And here's the first color. It is called Float On, and it's a beautiful, almost sagey green. It is really pretty, and it has these little shimmers in there, and it's super pretty in the light. And then we're going to pair it with 1 foot, which is a really unique white glitter. So it doesn't look like anything fancy in the jar, but check out that swatch, and that is just a 1 dip on that swatch, and depending on the way the light hits it, it really changes the colors of those glitters. And then we're going to pair it with All My Love, which is a beautiful mint green dip powder, and it's a shimmer. And it's a mint green, but it has like a gray undertone to it. It's super pretty, and that shimmer in there is one of those fine shimmers. So it's super pretty, and check out that beautiful swatch. So here are all 3 colors that we're going to be doing in today's mani, and I really like these colors, and they complement each other so well. We are going to be switching things up today. We are going to be making a press-on set. So we're going to just dive right in with that first color here. It is called Float On, and it is by far one of my favorite colors. I think all these colors here are really pretty, and they will also pair well together with that other collection that was just released, the Taylor collection. And if you haven't seen that collection, definitely head over to Secret Sister Dips after this video to check out that Taylor collection. At the end of the video, I also will go ahead and link in the cards a mani I did with some of the colors for that collection. Alright, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated.
Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this press-on set turned out. I think it's super pretty, and it's definitely giving me all those spring vibes. Also, these colors are perfect for the St. Patty's Day season that is coming up, especially if you like more of those neutral greens. This is going to be your jam for St. Patty's Day. And don't forget, the new Spring Fling Collection releases tonight, Thursday, February 23rd at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.